So hello everyone, welcome to the channel You Can Fix It. Today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your camera not working problem on iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus. See guys, the camera is not working and 1x and 2x also not working here. In this case, sometimes your camera connector is removed from connector when heavily drops, and sometimes your camera lens was damaged by water and overheating. So turn off the iPhone and open display very carefully. Here you can see guys, the camera connector is loose connected, so remove and connect properly. Now turn on the iPhone. See guys, the camera is fully working now and 1x or 2x also working. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.